A quick one for you. See, here's the gas station still operating. Here's an abandoned car wash. The city closed it down because of the draining the water out. They don't want the water draining into the ocean or some shit. So, yep. I used to use this car wash a lot. I mean, it costs more money to fix this car wash up, to get rid of the dirty water than it's worth. I used to come through here, man. It was a no-touch. Yeah. See? This was a fully operating car wash, and then the city closed it down because of the drainage for the water. Yeah. See that? Yep. And the gas station is fully operational. It's just the city closed the car wash down because draining out the dirty water. It costs more money to fix this thing up than it's worth, Alright, you guys. Well, that was a quick one, I was here many times and it was touchless. It really did a good job on your car and it didn't wear down the brushes or anything. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it didn't wear out your car because there was no brushes. It was touchless. And it got it really nice and clean without using brushes so your paint didn't chip off. I was really sad to see that this doesn't exist anymore. But, there we go, guys. Well, thanks for listening to me and watching my video, alright?